If your small living space feels cluttered, the Enkrio Fridge Stand with drawer might be your new best friend. Imagine your mini fridge, often a solitary island, now part of a tidy system. This stand is like a personal assistant for your beverages and snacks. It's built for mini fridges up to 19.7 by 19.7 inches. Furthermore, it adds crucial storage. A handy drawer tucks away small items, think coasters, bottle openers, or even remotes. Meanwhile, an open shelf below the fridge handles taller bottles or extra supplies. Overall, it brings order to a sometimes chaotic corner. Therefore, your bedroom, office, or dorm room will look much neater. Indeed, this Enkrio Fridge Stand with drawer truly transforms a small space. Moreover, assembly is straightforward. All parts fit together smoothly. You don't need a toolbox full of gadgets. In addition, the black finish looks sleek. It blends well with most decor. The stand feels sturdy too. It won't wobble with your mini fridge on top. Consequently, your drinks are safe and sound. Plus, the compact design is a space saver. It won't dominate your room. Instead, it complements your existing furniture. Furthermore, it creates a dedicated drink station. This makes grabbing a cold beverage incredibly convenient. Hence, this Enkrio Fridge Stand with drawer offers practical elegance. Finally, consider the versatility. This stand isn't just for drinks. It can organize office supplies, or it can hold extra pantry items. Its simple design allows for many uses. For instance, it's perfect for a dorm room where space is gold. Likewise, it's ideal for a home office. It keeps your workspace tidy. However, the best part is the added drawer. It's a small detail that makes a big difference. Overall, it's a smart investment for small spaces. Thus, the Enkrio Fridge Stand with drawer is a real problem solver. It elevates your mini fridge experience. Pros: easy to assemble, very nice and sturdy, looks nice and neat, great amount of size, fits perfect, exactly as described, components labeled by letter, adjustable legs, sturdy and tall. Lots of storage, durable and smooth wheels, portable, good quality for the price. Drawer is handy. Cons: not perfectly fitting Costco water, no idea how heat resistant the wood is, requires a lot of tightening, need to buy tile for heat protection, no mention of wheels in some reviews. Features: compact size, 19.7 by 19.7 inches, designed for mini fridges, includes storage shelf, a pull-out drawer. Organizes beverages, wine, suitable for bedroom use, great for office spaces, ideal for dorm rooms, perfect for apartments. Sleek black finish. The Enkrio Mini Fridge Stand is a compact black table that's 19.7 by 19.7 inches. It's made to hold your mini fridge and has a shelf for extra storage. There's also a pull-out drawer to help you keep drinks or wine organized. This stand is great for small spaces like bedrooms, offices, dorm rooms, or apartments, helping you keep things neat and tidy. The Enkrio 19.7 x 19.7 inch mini fridge stand is a sturdy and nice-looking storage solution, perfect for small spaces like bedrooms or dorms. It's easy to assemble with labeled components and offers lots of storage with a handy drawer. Though it might not fit larger items like Costco water bottles, the stand is portable with smooth wheels, though not all reviews mention them, and has adjustable legs. While it's a good value for the price, you might want to consider adding a tile for heat protection, as its heat resistance isn't specified, and some users found it requires a lot of tightening during assembly.